So I've got this iPod mini, flash modded it a few years ago and did a battery swap on it. Now it was working great for a good while with my only iPod at the time, but since the click wheel has stopped working, now it was working perfectly fine, but since being in storage it stopped working. Some of the buttons still work, so play works, first song, Highway to Hell, perfectly fine. It lets you skip and skip back. The event menu works and it lets you click. Sometimes, not always, a bit finicky. Main problem is the click wheel itself doesn't work. So I'm going to try to take it apart and see if it's disconnected. So to start, we need to get it into hold, like that. So it looks like I need to get one of these little pry tools and stick it in at this side. See where it's been done before. Pry this up. So these are some of the easiest iPods to take apart, to be fair. Like that. Put that one to one side. Same with this. Yep. There you are. That's off now. Put that to one side. It's been a long while since I've worked on one of these. So I just need to get this out now. There we are. Not exactly elegant, but it's out now. So that's the connector for the click wheel. Now, at the moment the click wheel's not responding to anything. Oh, it's wicked well, because it's in hold. To give it a go, disconnecting it. Hope you can see. I don't know if I've damaged that ribbon cable. Stepper troubleshooting. Make sure that's right in. I was really not liking that. So it's not going to be that simple, it looks of it. Yeah, so it looks fit. The click wheel cable itself's broken. Now I don't know if I've broke that now, but it's definitely broken. Well, it looks like it needs a new click wheel. So that was a death sentence, having that little split, but I think we're going to give a go at fixing it. Worst comes to worst, it were already broken, so you want to get this in here where the little spudger is, and if I push, slide, it should just pop out like that. That's the click wheel. So, two missing contacts, and with the looks of it, everything else generally looks fine. Just two, more than two loose contacts. First, I'm just going to try reflow the solder. So let's have a go. All I can do is ruin it at the end of the day. And then a bit of tin over them. So it looks like that. It looks like it's reconnected. A bit of tin in. I'll have a proper look though now. Put that to one side. That might have just worked. Can only find out. If we take this out of here. So, put this together now. Take it off hold. Or is that on hold? So let's try put it back in. Yeah, I'm doing that wrong. So it looks just as broken. So it sounds like I'm going to have to harvest this one for parts. Well, swap a nice click wheel in. Either or, depending on the price of a click wheel, it might be easier just to use it for parts.